Hey y'all, it's 20 to 7 this morning. Birds didn't wake me up this morning. I just woke up normally. Still got the frogs and stuff going off. They were off all night. But just relit the fire. About to cook up some coffee in my little kettle out there. And I pack up and head to Canberra. Check out the river crossings on the way. Let's go. When Crashpad make a bed specifically designed for their swags, I'm going to be buying one. That's the last time I used this stick. Oh well, she's dirty. Ready for another drink? Oh, you got away pretty easy that time. Ooh, that stinks! K's to go. Oh. best drives I've had in so long. It was good, well maintained track. It was easy on the cars. It was easy to drive. Might have been a little bit hard on the old muddies, but mate, that was so much fun. I would come back down here in a heartbeat. No chances, no doubt about that. Place is stunning. The drive from that gap that I was just at into Kuma, breathtaking. It is stunning in here, especially this time of the morning when I've still got the mist in the mountains. Love it. Could that be the end of the day? Is that the end of the adventure? Guess it wasn't. Probably not the last time I'm going to be doing this, but I'm in Kuma, just airing up. I'm going to grab some breakfast, some coffee and whatever fast food they got in the servo. I'm thinking about heading down to Jindabyne and then around to Mount Kosciuszko National Park, but from there, wherever I stay, I'll just keep going. I'll see when I get there. Probably won't need this tank, but might as well if I'm going back out rural. I don't know where everything is out there. Train continues. Roadworks. I am what, 46 kilometers out of Jindabyne? I don't know what's at Jindabyne. Never been myself. I'm not going to that park there. I'm just going to have a look on my way through to Mount Kosciuszko. Hopefully, I don't know how long it takes to go to the top or summit it, but hopefully I'll have time today to do that. Then I'm going to head back to Yowrie and check out the blue pools. Hopefully everything works to plan. Really glad I've done this trip, because another couple of weeks, couple of months, if I didn't get down here before then, I would not have been able to handle the cold. No. Snowed me. No. Alright. Back to my driving. I'm just down here at Lake Jindabyne. Just taking a walk down to the water, having a little bit of breakfast. Wow. Beautiful day.
funny thing. You've got Threadbro, Perisher. Right there in the water is where Jindabyne used to be. There's a whole town underneath this lake. Must have been back when it was a little creek, or the town. It was built around the water, as you usually do, and it was dammed up. This is what it became. Well, I better get going. I've got a fair hike to do today. At least I can say that I've been to Jindabyne. I've touched the water. Well, it's not frozen.
Actually, it was in 1959 when the 250 residents relocated their town, which took 8 years both to dam, move and begin to fill what we now know as the Snowy Scheme. At times when the water is really low, some of the town's foundations can still be seen, such as the old Roman Catholic Church.
One of those has got to be
Night's sleep.
we got the moon out.